Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With a fresh look at the design, we're also getting leaks about its weight, thickness, and some jaw-dropping features. So let's get into it. Earlier this month, we got our first glimpse of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and boy, it looks like Samsung is taking some big strides with this one. The renders show that the S25 Ultra will feature slightly rounder edges compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, this might seem like a minor change, but it makes a huge difference when you're holding the device. Rounder edges mean a more comfortable grip, and this is just one of the ways Samsung is focusing on user comfort. But that's not all. A new leak has revealed some exciting details about the phone's thickness and weight, and it seems like Samsung is really aiming to make this device feel as sleek and light as possible. On X, formerly known as Twitter, at Universe spilled the beans, claiming that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest and lightest flagship phone among its competitors. And yes, that includes the upcoming Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max and Google's Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now let's talk numbers. For some context, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a thickness of 8.5 millimeters and weigh in at 221 grams. Meanwhile, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max, set to launch on September 9th, is rumored to have a thickness of 8.25 millimeters and a weight of 225 grams. So where does the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand? According to the leaks, Samsung's next flagship model will be less than 8.25 millimeters thick and weighing under 221 grams. This makes it at least 0.35 millimeters thinner and 7 grams lighter than its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a thickness of 8.6 millimeters and weighs 232 grams. These changes might sound small, but in the world of smartphones, they can make a big difference in how the phone feels in your hand. Imagine holding a device that's not only packed with the latest tech, but also feels incredibly sleek and light. That's what Samsung seems to be aiming for with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Whether you're using it for long calls, gaming, or just browsing, this phone is designed to be comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. But comfort isn't the only thing Samsung is focusing on. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also expected to come with a powerhouse camera setup. Leaks suggest that the phone will feature 4 cameras on the rear, including a 200 megapixels primary camera with a wide lens. That's right, 200 megapixels. This camera is likely to capture stunningly detailed photos, even in low light. Alongside the primary camera, there will be a 50 megapixels telephoto lens, a 50 megapixels super telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. This versatile camera setup will give you the flexibility to capture everything from wide-angle landscapes to detailed close-ups with EN or prefer Samsung's Exynos chips. It looks like the Galaxy S25 series will have something for everyone. As we get closer to the official launch, we can expect to see even more leaks and rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But from what we know so far, it's shaping up to be an incredible device, combining cutting-edge technology with a design that's both sleek and comfortable. Whether you're looking for a powerful camera, a top-tier processor, or just a phone that feels great in your hand, the Galaxy S25 Ultra seems ready to deliver. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Do you think it will outshine the competition? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. As always, see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.